Welcome to the Ingles table. I'm Jasmin Queen, and today we're making a cast iron pizza that will have you asking, why haven't I been doing this all along? We've already been to Ingles to pick up some great ingredients. Now, it's time to let the fun begin. I am so excited to show you how to make a cast iron skillet pizza today. I have some kale, garlic, and onion that I'm sauteing here. I went ahead at Ingles, they have bags of pre-cut kale. So I got that, making this a super simple, fast, easy recipe. I also have some red onion that I got that was already pre-cut. So I didn't have to cut any onion today. I didn't have to cut any kale thanks to Ingles. I got all of it there. I also have some chicken sausage here. I've already cooked it, already sliced it, so it's gonna be ready to go. While this is sauteing, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about the crust that I use for this pizza. I use the sprouted Ezekiel tortillas. I get these in the frozen section at Ingles. So we are going to use those today as our crust. I'm going to finish getting the kale sauteed. I'm gonna pull this off and I'm gonna get my cast iron heating and I'll be right back. All right, my kale, onion, and garlic mixture has finished. So we're gonna take that off and put it right here on this plate so we can use it again in just a second. And now I'm gonna put my cast iron skillet and I'm gonna turn the heat up super high because you want this cast iron to really get heated up. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, and then before it gets too heated up, we're gonna use our hand and a paper towel just to kind of move that olive oil around. Okay, make sure I have my pizza sauce ready. And I'm just using the Lorelyn pasta sauce. It makes a really good base for this pizza. Have my tortillas here. And you have to kind of move quickly because this skillet will heat up pretty fast. Gonna get that there. You're just gonna move this tortilla around. You don't wanna let it sit too long because you don't wanna let it burn. So you're just gonna kind of move it around a little bit. You're wanting to cook the bottom, so then when we flip it over, we'll be ready to put all of our stuff on it. I have my oven preheated to 500, so as soon as I get done with this, I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it crisp up a little bit. And I like to use just the Parmesan cheese for this. Of course, you could use pizza cheese, you could use mozzarella, all of those would be really good. All right, so it's ready to flip. When you flip it, you have to be ready to go though. You have to have all of your stuff ready to put on because if you don't, then the bottom's gonna get burned. So we have to be ready. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna flip, put on our pasta sauce. There we go. Gonna put some of our chicken sausage on here. Spread it out, and of course, if you like anything else on here, you can make this your own. That's the beauty of this. And then I'm gonna put my kale mixture on here. Make you feel nice and healthy because you're getting all of these greens on your sprouted tortilla. Top this with cheese. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this cooked for about 5 minutes and it looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to cut into this. And that's it. I wanna thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Make sure to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. See you next time.